Alright, we're back. This is part 3 on how to install the exit sign. Went ahead and connected the cord down here. It's now down there. But when it comes to installing the faceplate itself, it actually fell here. I'll actually cover the left ear up with a piece of cardboard or something. Or whatever I can. But first thing you want to do is actually plug the battery in. Just look at that. Just like that. And you can take the exit sign faceplate itself. Yes. Yeah, there. It's having a little bit of trouble now. So, yeah, put some there. There we go. You can see right there it's on, and then I'll plug the extension cord in. We'll test it out. So, if I can hear it. So here's the moment of truth. There we go. Alright. So if it plugged in, we can test it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and simulate an actual power outage. And I used to know it. This one now. So I'm gonna turn off all the lights except for one. Alright, so you can kind of see it right there. Now I'm about to unplug it. And all that dim, it's actually lighting up the layout. See, it's get some dim lighting over there, but after all, if the power goes out tonight, we'll be able to. Wait, I forgot. Aim one of these. Aim one of these. At the door. However, after this, I'll have to. You can get there, but it's kind of being a little bit weird for me, but you know, turn it back on. But